kind of messy bun you can make is the fan bun, but this is not a great look. And if that's what your fan bun looks like and you really can't master any of the more kind of crazy techniques that create multiple loopy shapes that make your bun look a lot prettier, and you are stuck on the fan bun because that's all you can do, I'm going to show you how to make it look amazing. Let me show you what people usually do. So normally you take your hair, you throw it up on top of your head, you grab your hair tie or your scrunchie, you wrap it around a few times, you pull it through, and then you just plop to the side and you get this guy. And it's just, I mean, if you're just cleaning your house, it's functional, but it doesn't make you feel super cute. Then we're gonna try this. You're gonna pop your hair up on top of your head just the same way. You're gonna start to make your ponytail. You're gonna wrap it as many times as you need to make it nice and tight. And you're gonna go to pull the hair through. This time you're not gonna pull it too far because you want some hair to work with. If you pull it too far, it's gonna get floppy really quick. And the idea is not to let it get too floppy. You will have the ends sticking at the back, don't worry. You can worry about those later, not something to worry about right now. So now you're left with this little loopy guy on top of your head. The biggest mistake that people make is that they just grab the ends here and they pull to the side. So you do want to do that, but then you also want to start to grab further in and pull from there as well. And pull forward. So as you can see, I'm pulling my hair forward as I create my fan, and I'm pulling from more of the center. And as I'm pulling, I'm not just pulling to the side, I'm pulling sideways and forward, almost like on a diagonal, in these kind of like diagonals towards the peaks of my head. And then I'm gonna pull forward and backwards like this to fatten the bun, forwards and back. And now we have the fan bun, but it looks so much better, just like this. Now, these guys are pretty floppy. You can leave it like this, but it is very likely to flop. So what I usually do is I grab a few bobby pins. If you're concerned about seeing bobby pins in your hair, no shame if you can see your bobby pins, but if it bothers you, you can do what I do and get bobby pins that match your hair color. So if you're blonde, you don't have to use black or dark brown bobby pins. They come in all shades. So I take a couple bobby pins and I will pin the edges. I actually like to close the gap here. So I will actually pinch right here and stick one pin right in there. And then I just go to the sides and pin. And you're trying not to pull anything tight. You're trying to pin it where it's already sitting so you don't lose that shape that you've created. But there we go. That is so much cuter than your basic fan bun, but really not that much harder. You don't have to do any fancy flips or tucks or loops or anything like that. It's just about learning how to manipulate the hair and put it where you want it to go. So I hope that helps. I hope you can create the messy bun that you love. And remember, it is a messy bun and it's fine if it's messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not meant to be a sleek updo style. So enjoy your messy bun the way it is, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or videos you'd like me to create. I do post content here on YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I post daily on TikTok and Instagram. Bye guys.